everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find transaction details on your Smart Wallet app. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the Smart Wallet application and sign into your wallet by entering your PIN code or your passcode. After you are inside the home page, go ahead and tap on one of the coins or asset from the list. I've just pressed USDT over here. In order to find the transaction history, you will be able to find it underneath the transaction tabs. You can refresh your transaction history by tapping on the little loop arrow kinda icon, and that's how you will be able to view your transaction history. If you don't have any transactions yet, you will see this level where it says you don't have any transactions, but if you do, you will be able to see all the transaction list on the page. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.